Hey, what's up y'all? Welcome back to the channel. For today's video, we are finally going to be getting the INTEGRA back on the road to the alignment shop, driving all that. I finally got my new wheel bearings in from Randy. He pressed them in and did everything. He had to cut off the race because my race was clapped on it, but you know, Hondas, when you know you're doing a wheel bearing replacement, that usually happens. So that, and it also happened on my rear hub, but that's okay, because now we have everything needed in order to, yep, exactly what I'm saying. So now I'm gonna put the rear stuff back on, lower the car back down on the twos, and then do the front. And then we are on the way to Randy's job to get an alignment. Roll that intro. So you guys remember how I removed the rear brake line from the trailing arm? Yeah, well, I screwed myself because I need to bleed it. I need to bleed my brake system, and I can't do that dolo. Shit. Yes, the car is done. I've got the brakes bled. I had some help. Thank the Lord for that, man. So yeah, brakes are bled. Car is ready to go visit Randy a treat. Wow. Oh my God. Look at the front. Got to settle down a little bit more. I had to raise it up a little bit. But look at that. That got that boy, y'all see that? Oh, look at the camber, bruh. Camber gang, you heard? Camber gang, you heard? So yeah, now I'm on my way to Randy's job to get an alignment. Let's do it.
I'm out in the party. I'm on my big post.
Look what else came in the mail today. K-Pro V4 for Nami. I can give Sean back his ECU. So Sean, I appreciate you for letting me borrow your ECU till mine came in the mail. Appreciate you, my boy. Now we got V4, we got that Bluetooth swag, and I can finally put in my AUX injectors. Also, this is the best starburst ever created. This right here, the greatest starburst ever. Battery sound kind of dead right there, boy. Charge up, baby, charge up. Haven't cranked this car in like 3 weeks. Battery is definitely dying, probably. I don't know. But it's time to skedaddle up out of here, playboy. Okay, so we are driving the INTEGRA, and the brakes feel like crap. I wish I should have kept bleeding. Brakes feel like garbage right now. But we're on the road, dog. We driving, playboy. We driving. I gotta put my seatbelt on. I just gotta buckle it up. I need alignment bad. God damn. Woo, I just turned and it felt like I was drifting. Oh yeah, bro. Right now I'm on the way, dog. I'm on the way. I mean, look at my steering wheel. This is like ridiculous. Oh well. It needs air, but I'm leaving my baby right now. I'm gonna go get some Chick-fil-A. Psych, I'm gonna go get some big filet, you heard? And that's what's going on right now, pimping. I almost farted. Like, well, actually, I did fart. And, bro, yeah, y'all already know what's up, dog. I let y'all know this, because I don't give a damn. What y'all gonna do, judge me? All right.
I'd rather be judged by the jury than cared by 12. Yeah, y'all know what's up in this bitch. I'm living in hell, I'm living in hell. Look, I seen some niggas that paid my bail, and I was flossing and fronting and beating the Now she is sucking and calling me rich. Yeah. Green light.
Now listen, that's called motherfucking bars, nigga. You know nothing about that.
It needs a flat repair ASAP, dude. God damn. Bro, look at that camber, dog. They got camber. Dog. Yo. We on a rack. I don't know if you have to see the camber. I probably have like negative, I don't know, like -4 probably. That's a lot. That's a lot, dude. Well, we are finally on the rack. We're gonna get some adjustments made. Let's see how bad it is. And I have a huge, like, the part of the race that I had to cut off, that Randy actually cut off for me, that was stuck on the rear. I didn't film yesterday, but that's stuck in my front tire. So that's why I have no air in it. I'm like, damn, my car sat for like 3 weeks and there was no air? That makes no sense. Lo and behold, makes perfect sense. So we're gonna get that taken care of too, rather swiftly. So this is the front so far. Not too bad. It's actually not that bad considering I just redid complete control arm. I mean, lower ball joints. It's not too bad. But yeah, the reason why that toe was really off on the driver's side, damn tire going flat. You probably gonna have to what? Put more air in the tire before so you can align it properly? You gotta put more air in the tire so you can align it properly?
No, it has enough. I'll put extra so it'll like that'd be fun from there.
Alright. Ooh, Unit 2 fab, you know the vibes. Yeah, I didn't paint underneath this splitter. I didn't feel like it. Oh well. Water probably already clapped it out anyway. But before April, I'm gonna put on a new splitter and I'm gonna do it the right way. I'm gonna freaking make sure that junk is minty fresh. So water can't get into it like how it did right there. You know, that garbage, bro, garbage. But yeah. Yep. So my camera died. I think it broke because, like, I don't know, my lens still stuck out. That boy's a beast. Get me right, Randy, before I call corporate. Yeah. Vlog on the phone ain't too bad. I just don't like it. I feel ghetto. So patch repair is done. Randy patched up the wheel for me. Went ahead and lowered, negativized. Yeah, that's the word. Negativized the camber on the front wheels. I gotta have Bodie repaint the front bumper. Well, I gotta get a new bumper. Hopefully Bodie can paint it for me. But this is crap. I don't like this. Damn, look at that camber now, boy. Ooh, that's definitely -2. You guys can see at the rear.
It's definitely what it is.
It is what it is.
God, that's a lot of camera.
-2.
This side don't have none.
Nah, bruh. Oh shit.
Did you tighten it?
I did.
Nigga had one job. I apologize.
I did. Oh Lord. Oh. So that's it right there. Well, that's what's not moving. But yeah, I did -2-1 on that side. And then, yeah, look at that. Not too bad for an eyeball job. Oh, that looks so good, dog. Not that. Don't mind all that. But
It might change. The numbers might change because all I told.
maybe. All right, she's all ready to go. Got fresh alignment. Now it's time to get to the gas station and then get home and then drop those yurds.
Do pull, bro. Do pull. Do pull, bro.
I wish, dog. I wish I could do a pool, bro. It's not bad vlogging on the phone. Oh, yeah. Let's go wide angle with it. Oh. God damn it. There was a cop right there. But he's not coming. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that is going to wrap it up for this video. I hope you guys enjoy it. I'm finally back home. Got a fresh battery in the camera. Now we can film this outro on the cam bam. Yeah, so this video was supposed to be better than what it was, but sorry. So, I gotta film like 4 videos tomorrow so I can have some content to upload while I'm out in Colorado. So, you know, these next couple of videos, I'm gonna attempt to daily upload a video tomorrow to make up for the whackness of this video. So, I'll see you guys in tomorrow's videos. But if you guys enjoyed seeing CRUSTINA back in action, please leave a like on the video. If you did not enjoy this video, please leave a dislike on the video. I don't give a fuck. I love each and every single one of you guys. Thank you guys for watching the videos. And I'll be sure to catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace. Look at so disgusting. And now, gross.